How's it going, everyone? Today we're going to be doing an oil change on the Caterpillar C7 Acert engine. So depending on the oil pan that your engine has, you're going to need anywhere from 19 to 27 quarts of oil. Make sure you get the 15W40, and this says CK4, which is compatible with the CH4. You're also going to need to grab a new oil filter. I like to mark my oil filters just to keep track of when I did the oil change. You just put the date and the mileage. Before we remove our drain plug, you're going to want to locate where you fill your oil. There's two spots that it could be. You either have this fill tube with the screw-on cap, or it can be on top of the valve cover, and to get to that you would have to remove your air box. So you just loosen this up and pull your fill plug straight out. And now that'll provide some ventilation, so when we drain the oil it'll come out even faster. Alright, so you're going to want to go underneath your truck and locate your oil drain plug. And this is a 7/8 socket. I'm just going to break it loose. So you're going to need at least 2 empty 5-gallon jugs to catch this old oil. There's going to be quite a bit coming out. But now that we have the plug loose, we can go ahead and remove it all the way. So now we're going to want to go ahead and remove our oil filter. You can poke a hole in the bottom of these and let it drain out. There's a lot of oil in that big filter, but before you poke a hole in that, make sure that you can loosen it. If you can spin it like that, you're all set to poke a hole in the bottom of it. So you're going to want to get your bucket underneath it and have a punch and a hammer. And you can just drive this up through, pull it out, and now we'll let this drain out all the way, and then we can continue removing the oil filter all the way. For anyone looking to get the OEM Cat oil filter, here are the numbers for it. So we're just going to take some oil and go around this O-ring. Typically, I pre-fill oil filters, but Cat does not want you to do that. So we are not going to pre-fill this. So now we can install our new oil filter. And once it's snug with your hand, take your wrench and turn it like another half a turn. And now the oil filter is all set. Go ahead and reinstall your drain plug. And now we can tighten this drain plug up. And now we can start installing our new oil. Pull your dipstick out, clean it off, and then reinstall it, and we will check the oil level. So now we're a little bit overfilled, but once we start this thing up and the oil filter fills up, we'll check it again. Reinstall your fill plug, just push it all the way in, and then tighten this up. Now we can go ahead and start our engine, and we'll let it run, shut it down, and we'll double check the oil. And now we need to add more. And we're right at the operating range, right at the top. And that wraps up this video on how to replace your oil on the C7 Acert Caterpillar engine. If this video helped you out, if you could give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave a comment. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button.